Hi, I'm Ed Funnekotter, the Chief Architect and AI Guy here at Solus. Today I'm going to demonstrate the power of connecting AI agents into the Solus event mesh. In this particular application, I'm simulating a fully autonomous incident management system. And as you can see in this diagram, we have a few different ways of getting reports into the system. We have employees who can send in chat messages, we have security guards who have a two-way radio, and there's some security cameras. On the right-hand side, we see that there's incident response systems. These receive events from the event mesh, and they are such things as alarm systems, emergency services, or the building facilities. Finally, in the middle, we've got a simple management application that can coordinate some of the events. But the real strength of the system is in the AI-attached agents. These agents can do different functions, such as speech to text and so on, and we also have attached a large language model to perform more detailed analysis operations. And now I'm going to show you the demonstration. Here we have the incident management dashboard. Currently it's empty, and we'll get back to that. On the next screen, I've created an application to represent all the different responders to the incident. We've got building alarms and different services. On the left, I can add participants into the building so that we can create some reports that the incident manager has to respond to. In the kitchen, I'll add just a normal bystander, and I will also add a guard to the kitchen. So I can create an incident now, and the bystander in the kitchen just notices someone has passed out. So they send that into the system, and what will happen is that that application will just simply publish it into the event mesh, and the management application happens to be subscribed to that type of event and will receive it. We can see here on our dashboard that it has now received a report. It doesn't really know what to do with that. So what it does is publish into the event mesh a large language model request to elaborate and analyze that report. We just got the response back, and we can see that the large language model decided on alert level 3. It's given a title and description to this particular incident, and it's also alerted the ambulance service. It's also sent a message to the guard to confirm the situation in the kitchen. We can come over here and see that the service was properly evented to, and the ambulance will now actually respond to the situation. And the security guard received a message to confirm the situation. So I'll pretend to be the security guard, and I will let the system know that what's going on in the kitchen. Hi, security guard here. I'm in the kitchen. I have confirmed that someone did pass out. They are still unconscious, but they are breathing. So now I'll send that recording into the event mesh. In this particular case, this two-way radio is enabled with some kind of protocol that lets it publish audio events into this. And now the speech-to-text model will subscribe to that and receive it. It will quickly do a transcription and publish it back into the event mesh, and the management application, which subscribes to transcribed audio events, should receive it. We can see here that it did receive it. Hi, security guard here. And it's actually already gone to the large language model and received the next set of actions. And we can see right here, we say that to the building services that they should send immediate medical support to the kitchen. They've messaged to the original employee to thank them for the report, and they've actually put out an audio announcement into the kitchen saying that there's a medical emergency in progress. We can see all of that over here. The bystander again through the event mesh got that message, and the building services were also alerted to do something. So time passes and the ambulance comes, the security guard oversees it, and now it's realized the whole thing has been cleaned up. So it can now send in another report. Hi, security guard here in the kitchen. The ambulance has arrived. They've treated the person and taken them to the hospital. The kitchen is now clear. This gets published back into the event mesh, and already it's being transcribed, and the incident management system is now sending to the large language model a request to process this. We've received the response, and here we can see that it's cleaned it all up. We've closed off the incident. It's now over here, sent a broadcast message to say that the kitchen is clear, and it's closed off the alerts to the different services. Thank you for watching this demonstration. I hope this shows you the power of connecting AI agents into distributed applications using event-driven architecture. The combination of real-time asynchronous events, along with the intelligence provided by large language models, can really produce great things.